What do you guys think about AI content director site? I personally think these sites are bogus. Does Google understand which content is written with AI?
Detector.
Yeah, so we get these oh, sorry, Detector. Yeah, we get these questions probably like at least once a week. So I'll just say a couple things. I'll start off with saying that I'm not a super expert on AI detectors. And so anything I say here, I'm not trying to like hurt any like companies that are doing like AI detector stuff. But my understanding of it and my experience with it from the ones that I've tried out, which I'm not going to name, is that they are essentially bogus. They're extremely hit or miss. They cannot predict anything accurately. Even I think OpenAI tried to make a detector for their own thing, and even their own detector was not detecting it with any kind of consistency. So as far as AI detectors, we don't use them at all. I haven't actually ever used an AI detector other than just testing them. I've never used it for actually trying to figure out like, oh, is this AI? And so yeah, for the second part of your question, does Google understand which content is written with AI? I would say that no, they don't understand what content is written with AI, but they understand which content is extremely generic and not really adding any kind of value. So if you go and you look up Google's helpful content guidelines, which you can just like literally just Google like helpful content guidelines. I'll pull this up on the screen for you real quick. Um, so yeah, sorry, there we go. So yeah, this is basically just the guidelines that Google says for as far as like content goes and what they want to see. And what you can do is if you do a search on this page and search for like artificial, well, let's do like AI. That's not gonna work because all like we'll do like a. But anyway, what you'll see if you actually search this article for them mentioning AI is that they don't mention AI at all anymore. They removed anything that hints to content being produced with AI. So what Google's essentially doing is saying they don't care how the content is made. So they looked at the AI problem, which was that everyone's spamming the internet with AI content, and they said, well, is it actually a problem? And I guess their answer to it is no, AI content is not a problem. The problem is that everything is just generic and saying the same exact thing. And so that's what you need to look for. You need to look for your content actually adding something of value, actually having some kind of experience behind it, actually having some kind of unique insight, rather than just copy and pasting the same generic thing. Because everyone's literally going to have the same thing. And then if you have enough of that stuff on your website, you're going to get slapped with a helpful content kind of algo slap, and that's site wide actually. So let's say you have a website with 1,000 articles, and let's say like 500 of the articles are just copy and paste AI. You could actually lose your ranking from the other 500 because Google said like basically the site has too much of this on it, and you just give a site-wide kind of slap. So definitely something you want to stay away from. We don't look for AI detection at all. And yeah, anything I missed on that, Nick, or you want to add?
Um, well, yeah, I mean, basically, whenever you're asking a question like this, the main thing that you need to concern yourself with is if I put this article up, is it going to rank or is it not going to do anything? Over the last 6 months, we've kind of messed with AI on a bunch of different levels of editing. I can tell you that that generic stuff doesn't even show up in the top 100 after 4 or 5 months. Um,
True.
Solid human edited content that then injects some first person viewpoints. Um,
It's not that hard
Etc.
to
And it's
do.
well crafted. Yeah, it's not that hard to do. It does take a lot more time. If you're looking to just, automate something really quickly, etc. Now, there's some people that are having success with that, but they're playing a different game. You know, Quality AI content is human edited, and that's what you want if you're using AI content. So ultimately, let's say you're ordering content and you're worried that they're using AI to write this content. Who cares? What matters is it rankable or is it not rankable? And you can really, I mean, it's easy to just read through an article and tell whether, Chat GPT spit it out in, a couple minutes, or whether somebody actually, crafted something that will rank in the SERPs. So.
Yeah. And yeah, and you can still save a lot of time using AI to help write content. I love using AI.
Yeah.
Even if I'm writing like the article myself and like not a writer doing it, I actually love using AI. It's so good for like just getting like ideas and just speeding everything up. But you still do have to put a decent amount of work into it, but it's still like a great tool.
Hmm.
But yeah, I think you just got to stay away from the super low effort stuff. But still definitely use it a ton. I wouldn't
Yeah.
want to not use it anymore.
No, the floodgates have opened and we're not going back, baby.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to check the links below for more info on this topic, as well as other cool stuff like SEO case studies, our Facebook community, and our link building services. And like always, please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks, and happy ranking.